All right, Cancer, you have somebody. Okay, so this would be somebody who latches onto you creatively. What? This is annoying. This is annoying me. Sorry. So you have somebody who latches onto you creatively, steals your ideas, copies your work, duplicates off you, feeds off you. Kissing ass. Okay. So because they know you're like the jackpot. So, and now maybe you're come into some sort of opportunities, or they know you're going to, so that they can feed off of you. So I would watch who you're around here: winning, money, got rich, inheritance, unexpected money. So they're feeding off of you, or they're around you because you get opportunities, or you're about to. They know you are. You're creative. So I would watch who you're around. This is what's being hidden from you. All right, let me see. Sorry, I was getting that song. I can buy myself flowers. So, damn. Is that Marilyn Monroe? So, Seven of Cups, Ten of Swords. Seven of Cups, yeah, that's an illusionary, but that's also a very creative type of energy. Man, this person could actually even wait around and try to steal an opportunity from you. Look at that, Ten of Swords, uh, Ace of Pentacles. They could try to steal your ideas. How am I gonna... How are we gonna know who this is? So we have Pisces, Libra, heavy air. So this person probably creates fake accounts on social media and watches you. Like, they can actually be in your life and still create fake accounts. Show me more about this person. How would we know who this person is? Four of Wands. Four of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. That's the North Node. Hold on. All right, so we have musician. So they could be a musician. I was trying to find something. Inspiration. Let me look that up. Obviously. So it would be, I feel like somebody creative. Because to me, with this card, this is somebody you're either doing something creative with. Or they hang around you. So maybe they play an instrument. Here, hold on. Okay, I feel like this person, for one, okay, the Wheel of Fortune, I feel like they say, oh, we were just destined to meet here, or we like something like that, because that's destiny. Okay, and then the musician, It's something like, oh, you inspire me. They may say something like that. You inspire me. You're so inspiring. Because that's what this says in the book. You inspire me. Okay. And then I got Taylor. So if you're doing, maybe they, so attention to detail. Maybe they're always asking you questions, or they want to know a lot about you. Taylor. 142. Sorry, haven't used this book that much, but for some reason I felt like I could get details with it with this oracle deck. Oh, it says your dedication to your passions has served you well. So they might say you're so dedicated. You're so hardworking. So this is how you're going to know who this person is. That's what I'm asking. You take such pride in your work. So maybe they're actually a tailor. I don't know. So I'm just, I don't know. They may go behind your back and take an opportunity. I would watch out. Let me see this Ten of Swords. Maybe they feel like you took an opportunity from them. I don't know. This is weird. So that's a block. It's like somebody's trying to block somebody from being in the spotlight. That's what this looks like to me. Or somebody feels that way. Like either this person feels like you're blocking them or they want to block you. It's one or the other. So in front of your face, they're going to kiss your ass, but behind your back, not so much. Oh, damn. Look at that. This just fell out reverse. So I have it upright right here and it's reversed. So this person could be trying to block you from getting an opportunity. Are they trying to block this person? Are they trying to block Cancer from getting an opportunity? I think they are, but I don't think it'll work because I have the Chariot upright with the Knight of Cups. So I don't believe it'll work. Because upright means that you're in your energy and you have positive movement forward. So just watch out for if you're doing anything creative for some people. I don't know. Maybe don't be telling them what you're doing. Don't give them your ideas. Don't be telling them the details of your life or what you're doing creatively. Don't be telling them your secrets, or how you do things. All right.